So I have Road Glide ST 2023. Yes, the last year when you see this kind of a Road Glide with all the analog gauges. So after 2023, they went digital. Comes with the one-up seat. So only just one person can sit on it. I always wanted to have two. So I kept looking around. And what I found was the two-up seats, when you start looking for them, they're expensive, especially when you have to travel long distance. And that's what my plan is, to travel a little bit long distance. So you need a driver seat backrest, passenger seat backrest. If you have a passenger, I don't have a passenger. I don't need a passenger seat backrest. I just need a driver seat backrest for sure. And on the passenger seat, I can do my bag. I can tie down my bag. That can also be used as a backrest, but not a dependable one. So I will get a backrest for the driver seat. But when you start looking online, they're very expensive, super expensive. To the terms of, like, if you want to get a good one, a good touring seat, it's like $800. You go a little cheaper, you can get away with 600, 500, somewhere around that, not less than that. Like if you want to get a branded one, a nice, good one. I didn't want to spend that much money because this bike was expensive. I didn't want to spend that kind of money. So what I wanted is to not spend too much money and still go for my ride. And I'm trying to go for a long distance ride. I'm gonna test going to Detroit first, and then maybe I'll go to Chicago. I'm doing two-up seat. So I bought one from Amazon. It's nice looking two-up seat with the driver backrest. It's a very nice looking seat. That's what I think. So I ordered it. So it's like $180, $190. Just say $200 with taxes and everything. So it comes with the two-up seat and a driver backrest, and we are going to install it ourselves. And what I read is that seat is not that comfortable for long distance. For short distance, that's pretty good, but for small distance, it's not good. It's probably a little bit harder, and I'm gonna do a little bit cheaper seat. It's not really that cheap. It's $200. But you get a seat, a driver backrest. So, when you're driving, it's much needed. The driver backrest is much needed. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna try a cheaper seat with a cushion on it, and that will get me going. Plan is to install the seat and then add a cushion on top. And at the end of the day, show you guys how it looks, how it feels. I was not thinking I'm going to finish today because I didn't see the screw for the backrest, but I found it somehow. This is what I was talking about. So I have a passenger seat, the passenger seat, I have the driver seat, I have a driver backrest. This thing looks good. Plus it will support me, I think. Yes. Yes. See what I'm saying? Like on a long ride, you can just chill. You can just chill like this. It's pretty good. Even this is very thick, and its cushion is good on this one. This one is also very cushiony. So this is like how much thick it is. This is how much thick it is, and that is our cushion. This for long distance. I ordered this because just people are saying these are good but not that comfortable, and this. So this will make it comfortable. So if you're driving long, you just put this on. Just put this on and go about your day. If you're around town, like if you're around town, just in the city, you don't need this.